title, Journey to the Enchanted Village. Jolly had always been an adventurous young girl. With her loyal pet dog, Buddy, by her side, she was always ready to explore new places and discover new things. So, when her parents decided to move to a small village nestled in the lush green countryside, Jolly couldn't contain her excitement. As soon as they arrived in the village, Jolly was eager to start her exploration. The village was charming, with quaint little houses lining the cobblestone streets and friendly villagers going about their daily lives. Jolly felt like she had stepped into a storybook, and she was determined to uncover all the hidden secrets the village held. With Buddy bounding ahead of her, Jolly set off down a winding path that led into the heart of the village. The sun was shining brightly overhead, casting a warm glow over everything it touched. Jolly felt a sense of joy and wonder as she walked, her eyes wide with curiosity. As she turned a corner, Jolly stumbled upon a bustling marketplace. The air was filled with the scent of fresh flowers and baked goods, and vendors called out to her, eager to show her their wares. Jolly couldn't help but smile as she wandered through the market, sampling tasty treats and admiring the colorful displays. But it wasn't long before Jolly's attention was drawn to a peculiar sight at the edge of the marketplace. A group of villagers had gathered around a large map, pointing excitedly at various locations and whispering amongst themselves. Jolly's curiosity was instantly piqued, and she hurried over to join them. "What's going on?" she asked one of the villagers. "We are planning a treasure hunt," the villager replied, a twinkle in his eye. "There's a hidden treasure somewhere in the village, and whoever finds it gets to keep it." Jolly's heart skipped a beat. A treasure hunt? That sounded like the adventure of a lifetime. Without hesitation, she grabbed a map from the table and set off, Buddy hot on her heels. The map led Jolly through the village and out into the surrounding countryside. She followed winding paths through fields and forests, her excitement building with each step. The sun began to set in the sky, casting a warm golden light over the landscape, but Jolly didn't stop. She was determined to find the treasure. Finally, as the last rays of sunlight disappeared behind the horizon, Jolly reached the final destination marked on the map. A small clearing opened up before her, and in the center stood a chest covered in ivy and moss. Jolly's heart raced as she approached it, her hands trembling with anticipation. With a deep breath, she lifted the lid of the chest and gasped in wonder. Inside lay a shimmering collection of jewels and gold coins, sparkling in the moonlight. Jolly couldn't believe her eyes. She had found the treasure. Excitedly, she gathered up the treasure and hurried back to the village, where the villagers greeted her with cheers and applause. Jolly was hailed as a hero, and she was showered with praise and admiration from everyone she met. But as Jolly looked around at the smiling faces of the villagers, she realized that the real treasure she had found wasn't the gold and jewels in her hands. It was the sense of accomplishment and joy she felt, the knowledge that she had embarked on an adventure and succeeded against all odds. And as Jolly sat by the fire that night, counting her riches and listening to Buddy's contented snores, she knew that she would never forget the day she had explored the new village and found the treasure that had been waiting for her all along. It was a happy ending indeed, and Jolly couldn't wait to see what other adventures awaited her in the future.